Samsung has quietly changed how Galaxy S26 series pre-orders work, and depending on your region, you might either score a great deal or end up paying more for less. With fresh teasers and new leaked renders surfacing, including hints at a major camera upgrade, there's a lot going on right now, so let's break it all down. Starting with the UK, Samsung has announced a surprisingly generous offer. If you pre-order any Galaxy S26 model, you'll get a free double storage upgrade. That means if you buy the 256GB version, you'll automatically get bumped up to 512GB at no extra cost, which adds roughly £170 in value. On top of that, early registration also gives you a £30 voucher and entry into a £500 prize draw. But things get a bit uncomfortable when you look at the US. Samsung's website hasn't listed any similar offers yet, and that's making buyers uneasy because this kind of bonus has usually been available in most regions. There have been rumors for months that Samsung might scrap the storage upgrade entirely, and if current leaks are accurate, US prices could stay the same. However, if prices don't drop and the bonus disappears, it would effectively mean customers are paying more for less compared to previous years. We'll have to wait and see, but regional differences like this are always frustrating, especially at flagship price levels. Now, let's talk pricing. Korea has given us the first real figures, with the Galaxy S26 Ultra expected to start at around 1.7 million won for the 256GB model. That's an increase of about 99,000 won, or roughly $70 more. Europe and India are reportedly seeing similar hikes, which suggests Samsung is feeling cost pressure, and unfortunately, that pressure seems to be getting passed directly to consumers. Moving on to something more exciting, the camera. Samsung recently released another official teaser focused on night photography and video. When a company keeps repeating the same message, it usually means they're confident in the improvements. That's significant because low light performance is an area where Samsung has promised a lot over the years, but hasn't always delivered, especially compared to Apple. With wider apertures and improved AI processing, this could finally be the upgrade fans have been waiting for. Speaking of AI, Samsung is clearly going all in again this year. The company has rolled out huge 3D digital billboards across 17 major cities worldwide, and they're all centered around Galaxy AI. Messages like next generation Galaxy AI and bringing creative vision into the frame are everywhere, making it obvious that AI will be the centerpiece of the upcoming Unpacked event. With the countdown officially on, all eyes are now on Samsung Galaxy Unpacked, and this year's event is shaping up to be one of the biggest Samsung launches in recent memory. In just a few days, Samsung is expected to unveil the entire Galaxy S26 lineup, including the S26, S26 Plus, and the flagship S26 Ultra, alongside One UI 8.5 and the brand new Galaxy Buds 4 series. And thanks to fresh leaks and early listings, we're already getting a sneak peek at what Samsung has planned. So this time, we have a pill-shaped camera module with triple cameras on top. So as the camera design is somewhat similar to the Galaxy Z Fold, here are latest images of the Samsung S26 Ultra in all four exciting color finishes: this black, white, sky blue, and purple. There will also be online-exclusive pink, gold, and silver shadow variants. The standard S26 features a 6.3-inch 1080p low-resolution display, 120Hz refresh rate, powered with Exynos chip, One UI 8.5, triple cameras, and a 4,300 mAh battery with 25 watt of slow charging. So I skipped this one and better get a OnePlus or a Xiaomi. The S26 Plus gets a 6.7-inch 1440p high-resolution display, 120Hz refresh rate, this Exynos chip, and 4,900 mAh battery with 45 watt of decently fast charging. So mediocre specs for a $1,000 flagship. Now, for those who want the best of all, we have the Samsung S26 Ultra, coming with a 6.9-inch high-resolution display with Qualcomm Italy Gen 5 chip for Galaxy. This quad-camera setup, 200 MP main and a periscope lens, this S Pen inside, and a 5,000 milliamp hour battery with 60 watt of fast charging. So decent specs, I would say. And this with One UI 8.5 and Galaxy AI icing on top makes it overall an amazing device. The highlight of S26 series is all-new privacy display, which uses Flex Magic Pixel technology. Here's a teaser video from Samsung showing how the S26 series anti-peeping feature works. The best part is we'll have an option to hide the entire screen or only a specific portion of the display, like notification or when entering a PIN or password. A massive news coming in from Ice Universe. The S26 Ultra is coming with a 10-bit display, meaning more shades and better, more vivid colors. Shocking news coming in, the Samsung S26 Ultra might not include built-in magnets inside the device. This means Qi 2 magnetic charging won't work natively like MagSafe on iPhone or Pixel. Qi 2 charging may still work, but only if you use a magnetic-compatible case. So fast wireless charging is there, but the full magnetic experience depends on the case, which is disappointing but not a deal breaker.